What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's a very technoboy, and today I'm going to show you this 2.1 multimedia speaker system. This is not a kind of home theater like a bigger thing. This is from Creative. As you can see it right here, the branding is at the front. It's metallic, and this is a very old one too. This was connected to my brother was using this, and it was connected to PC. Then it was connected to the TV for a long time. That's why you can see the volume control is totally taped, sealed with tape, so no dust can go inside the volume control, and the volume control is at full. So it was connected to the TV, so it's full, and you can control the volume from the TV remote control. So that's why it's like that. So I found this from the old storage in the attic, but they are still in very good condition. And the only problem is that's a power supply. The transformer and all the stuff is inside this thing. The actual adapter was broken, the cover, so my brother put this thing inside of this thing, and that's AC power cord is connected here, and that's DC output. So this thing is kind of different. The audio input, as you can see, is connected to PC. It comes here to this controller port. You can see two wires are coming out from there. So this audio input comes to this thing, and from there the other one goes to here to the subwoofer. So let me show you the back of the subwoofer. Here the old circuitry is in right there. So that's a power supply, and that's a RCA output for right channel and left channel, and that's a bass level controller, which is very nice and important thing to have in a 2.1 home theater, because you need to control the bass. You just don't want to hear the bass high all the time. So that's why that's a nice thing. So this is the model number. You can see SBS 2.1 370. That's the model number, and at the back you can see it's a bit bigger ear pipe, like 2-inch, I guess. So there's the ear passing port for the subwoofer. So this thing also has like a 4-inch subwoofer, round shape driver. If you can see the circle right there through this cloth, this mesh. And these are the left channel and the right channel. They are like 2.5 inch. They're like 2.5 inch full range driver, and they're plastic, and it's plastic casing, and nothing else in the back. So you get nice stand with the speaker, and no wall mount option is there on the back. So that's it, because this is basically the desktop speaker. Need to connect to the desktop PC like that. So you can keep this main unit subwoofer at the bottom somewhere for the good bass, and you can keep these channels at the top right beside the monitor, or somewhere you can hear directly through these front speakers. So that's the thing. Now let me turn this on, and let's check the sound.
I just wish you knew.
storm, cause I turn into a monster. Ready for the war, better with the black. None of them boy, they no bad. None of them boy, they no bad. None of them boy, they no bad. Bad ones in over do some archbishop. They no bad. Who them from me in a Turkish? They no bad. I watch my generation. It's so evident this world will soon be gone. Will soon be gone. Can we live for tonight? Run away. Let's run away, run away. Can we get out of sight? Fly away. Let's run away, run away. Let's run away,
Hey, Annabelle, yes? Why is my tea floating? Whose balloon is this?
It's mine.
Oh, Penny, can you pass on the Ouija board for me? You sure? I am Belle. Can't you tell? You will make my heart with friends, or you will go to hell. Oh, by the way, have you met Chucky yet?
Yo, what's up, bro?